Are you ready to sweat? Are you ready to compete? And are you ready to win? Right here at the ANDROPIQUE Army Hunt Season 2 in Mumbai. I'm your host Gavin Phillips and I welcome you to the ultimate fitness reality game show. Now I'm going to be running you, I'm going to be there with you for the entire event right up till the grand finale. Now as you all know, ANDROPIQUE has taken this initiative to give a platform to personal trainers and fitness enthusiasts all over the country. So why wasting time? Let's go ahead and meet our two teams who are going to be a part, and let's see which team is good enough to join in the Legion of the Fittest.
This initiative is taken by ANDROPIQUE, India's #1 all-natural testosterone booster, derived from the potent herb fenugreek. Now, this scientifically backed and thoroughly tested product guarantees zero side effects and 100% results from the very first dosage, enhancing testosterone levels, endurance, and performance. Perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and individuals seeking overall well-being. ANDROPIQUE can be seamlessly added to your daily stack, providing a natural and safe way to optimize your health and fitness goals. Today, we're at Strength Gym, a premium fitness destination in Khar, Mumbai. Strength Gym is passionate about helping you achieve your fitness goals and fostering a healthy lifestyle. Their state-of-the-art facility offers a wide range of amenities, including strength training, cardio, swimming pool, yoga, and personalized training programs. With expert trainers and a supportive community, we're dedicated to helping you reach your health and wellness goals, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out. So if you're looking to join a vibrant community of fitness enthusiasts and an experienced luxury, do visit the Strength Gym today.
Let's introduce the teams to you. First team we have is Strength Society. We have Hiten, Abhijit, Praneeth, and Nitesh. And they're going to be competing against RD Strength. We have Rohan, Kaushik, Kunal, and Pratham. Okay, now that you've met the two teams of RD Strength and Strength Society, we got Kaushik here to my right and Praneeth to my left, and they're going to be a part of the first competition that we have, that's going to be squats. Now, Kaushik here weighs in 69, so we'll round up to 70 kilos, and Praneeth here is 60 kilos. Am I right? Yes. Superb. So, we all know the game, we all know the rules, but the question here is, kaun sa team pehle compete karega, right? So, that's going to be the fight for the beginning. So, I've got one, I've got a coin with me. Who's going to call? Kaushik, will you call, or Praneeth, you'll call? You will call, okay. So, this is heads and tails, you'll be calling, okay? Whoever wins will decide who goes first, right? Heads is the call and tails it is. आपको पहले जाना है या आप चाहते हैं कि okay, so you're going to go first. One, as many squats as possible in 3 minutes of your body weight. Are you ready for it? Yes, all the very best. Let's get started. लेकिन उसके पहले कुछ संदेश देना चाहते हैं आपके अपोनेंट को? All the best. आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Same to you. So let's see. I don't think the war is begin, but it's going to get intense as the rounds go. So we'll all catch you up when we start off with the squats challenge.
In level 1, the participant needs to perform full range squats with the bar loaded equal to his body weight. Now these squats are to be performed within the time frame of 3 minutes. One rep will be equal to 1 point.
So we have Praneeth right here, right behind me. He's set for his squats in 3 minutes, as we all know, maximum reps. Yes, he can re-rack the weight and he can squat again, but maximum reps in 3 minutes. I'm sure everybody here is ready, so let's do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And your time is on. Maximum reps in 3 minutes. Go nice and slow, full range, breathe, keep going. Very nice, very nice. Keep going, keep moving.
5, 6, 7,
Superb, superb.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
30 seconds over. Come on.
16,
Come on.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good.
आपको पानी चाहिए? Okay, come on, very good. 50 seconds done. You're doing fabulous. You're doing really very good. When you feel you can go, then you can continue. Come on, okay. Come on, let's keep going. 1 minute down, 2 minutes remaining.
21, 22, 23, 24,
Very good. Come on.
25,
Let's not stop. Let's not stop.
26,
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
28, 29,
Superb. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining.
30,
Superb. Nice and slow. Okay. 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 You okay? You need anything? Super. Very good. Come on. You got around 1 minute 15 seconds remaining. Aram se. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. Come on. 1 minute remaining. Exactly 1 minute remaining. Come on. Aram se. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
31,
Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Don't panic. Don't be in a hurry.
33, 34,
Superb. Superb. Superb.
35, 36,
Come on. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Come on. 15 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. How many reps? Okay, now that we know that Pranit has done 41 reps in a time span of 3 minutes. कौशिक चैलेंज बढ़ गया आपका? आपको लगता है 41 के ऊपर कर सकते हैं आप? कितना जाएगा? 45, 50 आपका टारगेट है कि जाएगा आराम से. Are you ready for it? Make sure you don't injure yourself, but really enjoy yourself. Okay? Okay, so let's do it. 3 minutes is what he has. Minimum to actually get in the lead, he needs more than 41 points in his team's account. This is RD's strength. So let's do it. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Keep going, Kaushik. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Very good.
2,
Very nice.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Superb.
7, 8,
Nice.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Very nice. Very nice.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Very good. Very good. क्या बात? Very nice. Okay. 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 Very good. 50 seconds down. Doing very, very nice. Very good. Very good, Kaushik. Very good. Come on. 1 minute done. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go.
27,
Very nice. Come on.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33,
Superb.
34, 35,
Nice. Nice. Come on. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining.
38,
Nice. Breathe. 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 Breathe.
39, 40,
Very good. Come on.
41,
Yeah. Yes. Very nice.
44,
1 minute. 1 minute to go. 1 minute. Very good, very good. Aram say, you got around 45 seconds remaining. 45 seconds remaining.
चलो और 10 आने दे अभी आने भाई जा कौन सी निकल गेट पर दे
Let's do it.
ये इजी है चल 50 चार रह गए इस बार come on 52 backward
Take minute. Done? 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Kaushik is done. He doesn't want to go ahead. He's already in the lead. Let's see if RD strength can actually go ahead. 51 is what score did Kaushik make right here in squats. So RD strength is actually in the lead. Superb, guys. You're doing a fabulous job. A very good opening. Very good opening. Let's see बाकी 3 इवेंट में होता है क्या.
For level 2, both teams participants have to go head on with the exercise of plate hold. The plate weight shall be 20 kilos and 1 second will be counted as 1 point in this level. But if the plate is held above or below the shoulder line, the participant will be disqualified.
Okay, and moving ahead to the next round, we have the plate hold. To my right, we have Rohan and we've got Abhijit to my left. Now, Rohan's team RD strength is actually in the lead of 10 points. Now, as you all know, in the plate hold, we're going to have both the athletes are going to be competing at the same time. The maximum time they hold the plate for, that is going to be on their scoreboard. So, are you guys ready? Take hold of your plates. Take hold of your plates. When I give you a count, you can get ready to take it in position. Okay? I want you guys facing one another. Are you guys ready? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hold, hold. You guys can cheer for them. You guys are doing a very good job. Alright guys, keep you updated on the timing. You guys are doing really very well. Keep it there. 15 seconds done. 15 seconds done. Stay there. Come on. Come on, Rohan. You're doing a very good job. Hold. Back. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay. Abhijit, very good. 30 seconds done. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Oh. Abhijit, you've held the plate for 33 seconds and Rohan held it for 38 seconds. RD strength is in the lead for the second game in a row. Good job, good job, good job Abhijit. Good job Rohan. Good job. Okay, now let's see third round mein which team turns out to be successful in the bench press.
Level 3 is bench press. Again, the bar will be loaded equal to the participant's weight. The time duration for this level is 3 minutes. One repetition is equal to 1 point.
Okay, now before we go into the bench press, the score as of now is RD Strength has a score of 89 points and the Strength Society has a score of 74 points. Yani ki RD Strength is in a lead of 15 points. We're going to start off with the bench press. I'm going to introduce you to the athletes and let's see which team goes ahead in starting off in creating a mark for the bench press. Okay, so we're going to start off with the bench press. I've got Pratham to my right, I've got Nitesh to my left. So Pratham's team is actually in the lead of 15 points, so you can chill a bit. Strategy क्या है अभी जीतने के लिए?
बस हराना इसको.
हराना है. As simple as it goes. तोड़ना है.
बस.
Superb. So start करने से पहले टॉस करना जरूरी है. Who's going to call? आप कॉल करोगे?
Tail.
Heads or tails? आप बोलिए. Tails it is. You want him to go first? Okay. All the very best. Since you are in lead, you can go ahead and make it challenging for him, right? Any message? Any संदेश देना चाहते हैं? करेंगे, करेंगे. Any message for them? Since they're already in lead. Tension low. Okay, so we got two teams. Let's see if they're able to actually go ahead and make a target for the opponent team. देखते हैं. Okay, so we have Pratham. Pratham, are you ready? Yeah. 60 kilos body weight.
Same maximum reps in a time span of 3 minutes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get in position. Come on, maximum reps in 3 minutes, Pratham. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going.
1, 2, easy, 3, 4, आरामात घे. 3 मिनिटात आपल्याकडे. 6, 7, 8, 9, शाबाश. 10.
Very good.
11, 12, easy. 13, 14, one more. Press, 20. Dev.
Okay, 30 seconds done. 30 seconds done.
Take a rest, take a rest.
Come on, 30 seconds done. Aram se. Aram se. Whenever you're ready.
Take a rest.
Pratham, whenever you're ready, you can go ahead. Come on, continue.
शाबाश रे. 1, 2, 3. Rest, rest.
1 minute down, 2 minutes remaining.
Take a rest. Take a rest. Rest here, rest.
Okay, okay. Aram se. Will you able to go ahead?
5 more reps.
So 5 more reps. Target है. आराम से. You got good. आराम से 1.5 minute remaining. Don't be in hurry. अगर आपको पता है 5 रेप मारना है, 1.5 मिनट है और आपके पास.
Time है आपल्याकडे.
Ready? Whenever you are ready, ready. Whenever you are ready, go. Okay. एक और spotter. Come on. That's it. 21 reps in 1 minute 42 seconds. He didn't want to go ahead. 21 reps is what he did. And let's see स्ट्रेंथ सोसाइटी क्या करता है. 21 reps के ऊपर जा पाएंगे आप?
Easily.
कितना आपका टारगेट क्या है?
Double.
डबल. ठीक है. 42. Okay, so let's see. All the very best. We'll re-rack the weights and then you can start off. Okay, so Nitish, before we start off, आपको आपके टीम को सेम स्कोर एज आरडी स्ट्रेंथ लाने के लिए आपको चाहिए कितने? 36 अगर आप बेंच प्रेस करते, यू आर इन टाई विद आरडी स्ट्रेंथ एंड उसके बाद यू कैन टेक द लीड. आर यू रेडी फॉर इट?
Yes.
3 minutes. प्लीज टेक ए पोजिशन. टेक ए पोजिशन. आराम से. कम ऑन. आर यू रेडी?
Yes.
Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Very good.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. 15 seconds done. Only 15 seconds. You can keep going. Got a lot of time.
11, 12, 13,
Very good.
14, hello, 15.
Keep going. Very good. Okay. Nice and slow.
शाबाश, शाबाश.
Nice and slow. Take your time.
शाबाश. और 5. 16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay. 19 reps down. 50 seconds over. 19 reps.
शाबाश, शाबाश, शाबाश.
You got good time. आराम से. Come on.
1 minute.
2 minutes remaining.
शाबाश.
Whenever you are ready.
5, 20, 21,
22,
22. चलो 3 और
23. Come on.
और एक.
Okay. 23. आराम से. One minute 30 seconds remaining.
चलो चलो. अप चलो.
Okay. Are you going to continue?
Yes.
Super. Okay. You got 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. कितना हो गया? 26 ना? 25. 1 minute remaining bro, 1 minute. 1 minute remaining.
आराम से करो, चलेगा कोई नहीं। शाबाश शाबाश, चलो।
Come on.
और एक
27, 26, 26. Come on, आराम से. Around almost 30 seconds remaining. Almost 30 seconds remaining.
शाबाश शाबाश, चलो।
Sure.
Push, push, push,
You done? Okay. 26 reps in 2 minutes 40 seconds. You gave in your best, bro.
Yes, yes.
Super, very good, very good, very good. Thank you. 26 reps. We still have, apparently, you know, even though the other team is in lead, the deadlift is going to be a game changer. Abhi tak even I have no idea which team is going to be winning in the deadlift or which team is going to win. But all the very best. Please rest. We'll see the captains for the finals of the ANDROPIQUE Army Hunt Season 2, which is going to be the deadlift. You know the rules, I will just tell it to you once again. As simple, as many reps they do in 3 minutes, each rep is 5 points. 10 rep bole to 50 point. It's going to be easy, it's going to be challenging, and it's going to be fun at the same time. Let's see which team turns out to be victorious right here in episode 1, season 2 of the ANDROPIQUE Army Hunt.
Now, the final round is here, the mighty deadlift. Here the bar will be loaded equal to 1.5 body weight of the participant. Here one repetition will acquire the team 5 points.
Okay, so you got Hiten here from Strength Society, and his deadlift bar is ready, 127 kilos. अभी आपको पता है कि 3 मिनट में आपको मारना है डेडलिफ्ट मैक्सिमम रेप्स. क्या लगता है आपको कितना मार पाएंगे आप? गिव मी अ नंबर. आपके दिमाग में कितना? 20 to 25 in between. ठीक है. इन शॉर्ट आपको आपकी टीम को जिताना है, no matter what, right?
I'll try my best.
You will try your best. Okay. Get set of your bar and let's get started. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Very good. Come on.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Come on. Keep going. Very good.
24, 25.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. आपने आपका टारगेट 25 ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया है इन 40 सेकंड में यार. क्या बात है. कम ऑन. वेरी गुड. लेट्स कीप गोइंग.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड.
एकदम आराम से.
1 मिनट खत्म और 2 मिनट बाकी है.
आराम से.
टेक योर टाइम. टेक योर टाइम.
15 से 20 सेकंड रेस्ट.
टेक योर टाइम.
एकदम आराम से.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
वेरी नाइस. वेरी नाइस.
एकदम आराम से जाएगा.
आप 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. आराम से. You're doing really very good. Really very good. आराम से. आराम से. आराम से. Superb. Come on. पानी चाहिए आपको? One minute remaining. Come on, Hiten.
37, 38.
Okay, 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 okay.
एकदम आराम से. 5 करेंगे तो भी जाएगा. 5 करेंगे तो भी जाएगा.
आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ, आप ब्रेक ले रहे हो तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. The highest score ever in the Andropique Army Hunt is 48 reps. Overall in season 1 was 48 reps. Come on. मेरे को पता कि आप तोड़ सकते हो, आप कर सकते हो. 30 seconds remaining.
20 सेकंड आराम से जाएगा एकदम.
Come on.
ऊपर टाइट कर एकदम. Come on, एक मारेगा, चलेगा.
Very good. Come on.
ऐसे ही चलेगा.
15 सेकंड बाकी है. 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 44 reps in 3 minutes. मेरे को बोला कि अराउंड 25 तक मारेगा, लेकिन 44. Please rest. 44 is what reps he did in 3 minutes. I am not saying anything. I have no idea who the winner is, but let's see if we are able to get the winner. RD Strength has been in the lead since the very beginning. Let's see if Strength Society actually takes up the lead or beats the winner right here at the Andropique Army Hunt Season 2. Okay, Kunal, आपका टीम ऑलरेडी लीड में था, मैं बोल सकता हूँ. ओके, नाउ सब कुछ आपके मजबूत कंधों पे है. लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. आई विल नॉट टेल यू द स्कोर. आपको आपके टीम को जिताने के लिए 43 रेप्स मारने हैं. 42 मारोगे तो टाई हो जाएगा. 43 यू विल विन दिस राउंड. लेकिन आई विल टेल यू, we are here as part of the Andropique Army Hunt to search the best team that we have in Mumbai. If you can go more than 43, go. Push yourself to the limit, because we're going to be selecting 2 of the best teams out of all the episodes in Mumbai who's going to be a part of the grand finale. तो अगर आप 43 पे आते हो, आपका टीम जीत जाता है. But don't stop there. Continue till you can't go anymore. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, please take your positions. Can we make some noise, everybody? Okay, Kunal. In 5. Are you ready? Yes. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's roll. Come on. Wow, very good. Okay, very good, Kunal. 42 seconds over. You got a lot of time. Very good, very good, very good. Breathe. Kunal, whenever you are ready. Whenever you're ready, Kunal. 2 minutes remaining. Okay. Nice. आपको पानी चाहिए? हो जाएगा आराम से. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. आप जा सकते हो, कर सकते हो. ब्रेक. Hold on. Let's wait. 1 minute 40 seconds over. Let's wait. We've got time. Let's give Kunal time. You got entire 3 minutes. Wherever you feel comfortable, you can go ahead. Take your time. Breathe. Are you okay? 1 minute remaining. Come on. Breathe, Kunal. Breathe. If you feel okay to go ahead, then continue. Don't push yourself. अगर नहीं हो रहा मत करो. अगर आपको लगता हो पाएगा तो आप करना. अगर आपको लगता है you can be able to do it, then go ahead with it. 40 seconds more, Kunal. नहीं? Okay. Come on, Kunal. You did a very good job. Very good job, Kunal. Very good job. You can rest. Thank you. So I think we know who the winners are. We'll meet you at the presentation with the winning team. So welcome you to the presentation right here of the ANDROPIQUE Army Hunt Season 2 Episode 1. We saw a wonderful match going on between these two teams of RD Strength and Strength Society. And yes, said Strength Society turned out to be victorious. But now it's time to felicitate every athlete. You know, we promised you for this edition, we're going to not just give an athlete a trophy and ask them to come on board as an influencer for the brand. We're also going to give them a cash prize. Now there's a twist today in the cash prize. I will tell you once we come to the time and we're going to hand over the cash prize to the winners. But now it's time to call on the team who was actually dominating the game from the very beginning. Can we have the entire team of RD Strength joining me on stage, guys? Come on, can I have you guys? You are fabulous. Kaushik, this is for you. Kunal, Rohan, and Pratham, this is for you. You guys did really, really well. And you know, I will not let you go empty-handed. The captain, you get yourself a medal. Thank you, sir. And so the other members as well. तालियां बजनी चाहिए, बंद नहीं होनी चाहिए. And as we promised, goodie bags for all the athletes who have competed here today. Congratulations. It was really nice. You guys competed so well. Thank you very much for being a part of the ANDROPIQUE Army. Thank you so very much. I will meet you at the end. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you and congratulations. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much. Okay. Now it's time to meet the team. They started off the first two rounds where we all thought, okay, let's see which team actually turns out to win. First and second round, they did not win at all. I'm being very blunt. But the third round, they succeeded a little. And the fourth round, the one word I can use is the fourth round, they dominated. Yes, we have the Strength Society. Can we have Strength Society on the stage? Strength Society, I'm going to be giving you your certificates and your medals and all of that. But the main fight that you guys are here, okay, is this beautiful trophy. I'm going to be announcing it again and again. You guys are the first winner of the ANDROPIQUE Army Hunt Episode 2 Season 1. Yeah! Give me all four. And I said there's a small twist, guys. I'll tell you what the twist is. Your medals. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Now, I have disclosed it everywhere that there's going to be a cash prize. And everyone is aware of it, that the cash prize that we're actually giving to the winning team is 10,000 rupees. And everyone is aware of it, that the winning team is getting 10,000 rupees. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
That's what I coordinated with you?
Yes.
And with everybody else. But, I don't know what the episode said, but this episode, because it's our first episode and it's really special, so let me tell everybody who's watching the video, who's watching this episode, we are here at Strength Gym in Khar, and we came here to do an event, me and my entire team, and I met a very good friend of mine here called Suraj from Gains Forever. Can I have Suraj joining me up, please? Welcome, Suraj. So normally when I'm hosting the Olympia India or Shedu Classic, Suraj is always there, interacting around and making sure everything goes well. So Suraj, as I was telling everybody that I met you here in the morning, and I informed Suraj we are going to give a cash prize to the winners. So Suraj came to me and said, Gavin, let's do one thing. You're giving cash prize of 10,000. You're giving them a chance to be an influencer with your brand. You're giving them goodie bags. You're giving them medals. You're giving them trophies. Let me also do something for the industry. It's so good when I hear someone say, मुझे भी कुछ करना है इस industry के लिए. So my 10,000 that I'm giving a cash prize is giving to all of them. Suraj is going to be giving 15,000 rupees more. Yani ki the winning team here today gets a cash prize of total of 25,000 rupees. Love, because it was very impromptu. Suraj, this is the check that we have. Strength Gym, ANDROPIQUE Army. 10,000 का चेक आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन टोटल इनको दिया जा रहा है कितना है? 25,000 रुपए. सूरज, I wanted to present this to the winners. Can you please do that? आइए. Congratulations, guys.
Sir, QR code.
Thank you. अरे, thank you, Suraj. Thank you so very much.
I just want to say one more thing.
Yes, Suraj, please.
सर को मैं अभी 15,000 कर रहा हूँ, और कुणाल सर हमारी जो टीम है उनके लिए भी एक 10,000 रुपये
Wow.
So this is I just want to say one thing. I've always said that my friend Gavin, he is the voice of the Indian bodybuilding industry.
Thank you.
One of the loveliest human beings I've ever met, and always very supportive. I told him his energy levels in all 3 days from morning to evening is absolute dynamo, and both of us are very attached to the star category.
Shamsher Foundation.
Foundation right here, right? So please do follow the page. Please show love to all the star athletes. They are really working hard, and the passion of Raj sir and the entire strength team, you know, the strength gym team. I just want to say all the athletes, all the trainers, all the people who make this gym. This is what the fitness industry is all about. It's about passion. It's about showing your commitment towards a common cause, which is not just improving ourselves, but improving everyone around us. So keep spreading the
Super.
love.
Thank you, Suraj. Thank you so very much,
Really
man.
appreciate it.
So, just adding my calculations from what we promised of 10,000, total we're going to be giving is how much?
40,000.
40,000 rupees to everybody. Thank you, Suraj. Thank you so very much. You know, guys, show some love. Do share this, because we're trying to create, or we're trying to have people who really love fitness, not just from Mumbai or Pune, but all over the country, India. And we're coming to your city as well very soon. Thank you so very much. Congratulations to the team. We're going to be doing the entire edition right here in the Mumbai city, and we're going to come to your city as well. Thank you very much for your love. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, everybody. Thank you all, and take care. Okay, now we've come to the end of the event, but there's one thing that is still remaining. You know, it is not easy coordinating with teams, but to help me get all of this sorted was Mr. Nitesh here from Strength Gym, who really coordinated so well. So this is a small token of appreciation to Nitesh and the entire team of Strength Gym for making this event possible, and making this event, this shoot, a success. So very big thank you, Nitesh. May I request you please come and collect this. Thank you, Nitesh. It's been really amazing. You coordinated so very well. Made this event, our first episode, really so smooth and successful. I have no words to appreciate you, but a very big thank you, Nitesh. Thank you so very much, buddy. Thank you.